Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today let's talk about black PVC conduit. Black conduit is tough, UV resistant, and widely used for outdoor exposed wiring like solar panels and rooftops. So white black is not just about look. Black pigment absorbs and blocks UV rays, protecting the PVC from breaking down. Most outdoor conduits are made from unplasticized PVC or UPVC. Unlike regular PVC, UPVC doesn't contain plasticizers, so it's more rigid and weather resistant, great for harsh environments. To make it even tougher, manufacturers often add UV stabilizers, special additives that help the conduit last longer under strong sunlight. One of the most effective additives is titanium dioxide. This is also mentioned in the AS/NZS 2053 standard. Experience shows that adding titanium dioxide can really help the conduit resist damage from sunlight. Ctube's black solar conduit is ready for the sun. Engineered for durability, trusted for performance. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.